Hello, friends. My name is Chris Holdren, and I wanted to take a real quick moment to introduce myself and talk to you a little bit about what you will be learning in this Photoshop course. We will be isolating this subject right here from the background and changing the background to black and white or some other color. This is something very common that you see not only online and on the web, but also downtown. This is very common in big cities. You're downtown at Christmas time and you're walking by Victoria's Secret and you see a big model, like bam, right there in your face, and she's isolated and she's in full color and she's separated from the background. So it's a useful skill to have, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process and talk to you about the tools and kind of how to actually get it done. Real quick, I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am a director of marketing. I am a Creative Cloud trainer. I'm a Photoshop junkie, a photographer, an image retoucher, just an overall creative guy, marketer in general. And so I love this stuff. So I hope you get a lot of value out of this course and that you will really walk away from this course with just one more tool in your arsenal to really go out there and impress your clients or just improve your own photography or add a little pop to your online designs, whatever it is you're here for. So with that being said, I don't like to run my mouth too long, so let's just jump right into the course.